What's up, YouTube family? So the vlog that you're about to see is going to be the prequel to all of my USMLE Step2CK studying. So in this vlog, I actually don't do too much studying, but I kind of just relax and unwind. But I'm still doing a little bit of studying, so you'll hopefully enjoy this. And in the meantime, the other disclaimer I want to give is that this vlog was filmed and edited way before, the murder of George Floyd and the Black Lives Matter movement. So I am staying up to date with that. I'm trying to actively speak out about that on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow me here if you don't already. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And there's going to be a lot more USMLE Step2CK vlogs coming up because I'm studying for that right now. So let's get to it. What's up, everyone? It's another vlog, woo! But big updates today is that it's already 1 p.m. and I woke up at noon today. And I just feel kind of shitty because ever since my USMLE got canceled, right, I just have lost most motivation. And I don't know if this happens to you guys, but once I have a big change in my schedule or a big change that kind of like offshoots me a little bit, it takes me a while to get back on track. And that's kind of how it's been right now, where I'm like, what do I do? And also, what's the point of doing anything at this point, right? Like, everything just keeps getting canceled, right? Like, let's say I end up studying for this new test date. Who knows if that's going to be canceled? Let's say I start not studying. Maybe it'll get moved up. I don't know. Like, it's just so confusing to me. All this to say, I've done absolutely nothing in the last few days, which is fantastic because I guess I needed that rest. And it's also nice to just chill out for a little while, especially during these times where, you know, it's okay to breathe. It's okay to take a bit of time for yourself. I did create a to-do list of things that I wanted to do. I'm going to try to upload a couple more videos. That's definitely going to be one of my goals. I do have an elective class I'm taking online, so I'm going to be doing that. I have Anki, which I will show you. I have about 1,065 cards today that I'm going to try to do. I have Amboss questions. I'm still going to try to do like questions here and there for step 2 because I think those will be helpful. And coronavirus stuff. Like, I do want to read up on coronavirus and just see what's going on, see what the research is saying, because I haven't updated myself on that for a while. And I guess the whole general gist I'm going to try to do is make the most of this time. So here is today's Anki grind. I'm going to just be working on this deck right here, about 1,000 cards. I usually can get through it relatively fast, but we'll see how today goes. I haven't done any. I do also want to do some of my coronavirus stuff, which I actually haven't looked into since my Step 2 studying started, but I want to review my coronavirus lectures. So that's about 88 cards, so maybe I'll do a bit of that. And we'll go from there. So this is my Step 2 studying today, and then I'll do my coronavirus studying for today. And I'll do maybe a little bit of questions, and then focus a lot more on my side projects like YouTube, coronavirus research, and even just potentially publishing case reports, or even looking into writing a perspectives piece on what's happening right now and how I'm feeling. So that's that. Let's keep going, guys, one day at a time. So I've been working for about like an hour. But here's the time I've actually spent working, because it's going to be recorded. I spent only about 22 of those minutes really working. What did I do instead, you ask? Well, first I found this video, which was cool, because I was like, yo, Obama, man, I love this. So I just watched 12 minutes of this video, and they're just, you know, driving around, getting coffee and talking, and I'm like, yo, I miss this. It's simpler times. And then from there, somehow I got redirected to this video, and then I found out Malia Obama has a boyfriend who comes from a lot of money, which clearly is something I needed to get on with my day, so I felt the need to watch this video in its entirety. And so I did that, and that's kind of, and then that kind of drew me to like, what is Malia Obama up to? And then I realized, holy shit, she's 6'1". That's really tall. And then I was like, you know, let's see how tall Barack Obama is. And Barack Obama was also 6'1". All this to say, guys, it's really important to know the height of the president and his daughters, because clearly that's pertinent information that my brain feels like is necessary for me to get instead of working. But seriously, I think what that implies is I just don't feel like working, and I'm sure all of you have this where you go on tangents all the time, and that's kind of what I just did. We'll see if I can be a bit more productive, but clearly the first 2 hours of this day are not looking too hot. But It is what it is, man. I'll let you know if I find cool videos, though. There are always some amazing, cool videos out there, including one of Obama getting coffee, so my bar is very low. Let's see how the rest of this day goes. It doesn't look too promising. All right, everyone, I've had to take some serious measures here because motivation has consistently kept dropping. It's kind of like the stock market. Now, you think it's gonna stop going lower, and it keeps going lower. And that's my motivation right now. Like, I had to change my environment. So I had to come outside. I'm like, all right, yo, dude, you need to stop. Like, I'm just like goofing around. I'm not even reading anything fun. And before I knew it, another hour has passed. It's just ridiculous. But I do love sitting outside because look at this. It's so nice and calm in my very small, yet very beautiful backyard. But the wind is blowing, the birds are chirping, and I'm being inefficient. Like, it's been 48 minutes, but notice that it's been like 3 hours since I last checked in with you guys or something like that. It's been a long time, and it's because I haven't really been doing anything. Like, that's the problem. I keep like switching between tabs, so I've had to take drastic measures. Just like we have to take drastic measures with the economy, my attitude has to require drastic measures. I've turned my Wi-Fi off, so now even when I want to goof around, I can't. And now I'm gonna just try to do these cards, try to finish them. Well, not these cards specifically. And if I don't, then too bad. I can't go inside. And what I'm also doing is this phone. I'm only bringing it out here because I wanted to vlog and show you the beauty of this. I'm on my swing right now too. It's beautiful, amazing. But I'm gonna go put my phone inside too because this is not appropriate. Like, the amount of inefficiency is absolutely absurd. Not to mention, I'm getting I don't know if you guys do this. I do this all the time where I'll start working, and if my mind knows like it's not a very high stress day, which for me it's not because all my exams have been canceled, my mind will just keep interrupting my flow with like, I wonder if you got any new emails. Maybe we should check your emails. Or, oh, I wonder if like you got any new comments on your YouTube video. Maybe we should check that. Or like, hey, I wonder if like, and then it'll just like thoughts will enter my head and I will just act on them. And it's like, no, you need to stop that. I need to focus on what I need to do, and I can do everything else later. And that's not what I do. But anyway, I'm gonna try to prevent that. I've turned my internet off. It's 3:50. I'm gonna try to finish these cards. I got like 600 left according to this. Yeah, 644. And we'll go from there. Yo, look at this. Is it just me? Or is it that when this thing rolls at the top, when it circles, it actually looks like the ball underneath is moving? But it's not. So, again, not efficient. I ended up eating a bit of food because I was hungry. It's right here. It was amazing. Some Thai curry that my mom made. Mother's food. And now I'm on my sofa chilling. Anyway, yeah, still not done with my cards. Let's see if I can finish before I want to go for a run. It's 5:30 right now. It's 6 o'clock now. I have still not finished. I think I have about 100 cards left. So life's tough, but I'm gonna go running now. Because the one thing I've realized during all of my times of studying is I can't let my physical activity get away, because the one thing I really take for granted sometimes when I study is my health. And you can't take care of others if you can't take care of yourself. And so I always make it a point to exercise, regardless of how productive or unproductive of a day I'm having. So I'm about half a mile in. I always start relatively slow and try to speed up. I've started at a reasonable pace. I'll keep going, and every mile I try to stay about the same, if not faster. And that's usually the goal with my runs. Start slow, feel comfortable, then speed up. Most people, on the other hand, will almost always speed up first and then regret the rest of the run. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let's keep going. All right, so 3 miles in, I wanted to share this with you. Nice and good view. All right, about 4.5 miles in. Oh, feeling good. Pacing's going well. Trying to speed up a bit. It's gonna be hard, but we'll go. Let's debrief that run because I just ended. Did 6 miles total, right? So I usually don't know how much I'm gonna run, depends on how I'm feeling. I went out and I felt great. Like that first mile, fantastic. It was like the best I felt. And it was probably because I iced earlier today. So I got to my second mile. That one was a bit slower, about 7:10, but I still felt great. Third mile came, and that's where I actually showed you guys the bridge. That was around mile 3. Fourth mile, of course, I slowed down because I was just like, man, if I'm really trying to like speed up, which I usually do try to do for my last 2 miles, I should take this one a bit easier. So I think I got like 7:10 on that one. And then for my last two,
I almost always try to go sub 7. And so the 4th mile, you caught me vlogging in the middle there because I got a signal light break. So that one was around 6:47. I ran that 5th mile at 6:47. And then the 6th mile was my last mile. And I had a ton of headwind on that one, like a lot of wind in my face, but still just tried to finish strong, and I ended with around 6:48 on that last one. So a total of 6 miles. And this is the most I've run outdoors because I can't run as fast outdoors anymore because of my Achilles tendon rupture. But this is the fastest time I've ever gotten, which is 42:06. So that's fantastic. 7:01 pace. And now we're gonna cool down. I always cool down at the end of my run, so I'm gonna cool down my half a mile and then stretch and then shower and dinner time with the family. So that's how you do it, folks.
And here we are. It is officially 10 p.m. I've gotten through cards, but I also made a couple of my own. And so I added about 60 new cards today because I reviewed specific topics like popliteal cysts. Another topic I reviewed G6PD deficiency. Another topic I reviewed included hereditary spherocytosis. Damn, these are hereditary spherocytosis. Okay, there we go. So I added a bunch of those cards, so that's why I just finished those recently. But it's unfortunately now 11 p.m. almost. But I'm happy that I at least got this done, right? And I think tomorrow I will have 928 reviews, which is not as bad as today, which I had 1,000 plus. So we'll see. But I was able to get it done, and we got a workout in, so it was a good day. And that's about it for this vlog. Thank you all for watching. I hope you saw that most of my days are actually not efficient. And sometimes it takes a while before I get back into the groove. And sometimes it takes a little bit of coffee and a bunch of videos with Obama and learning about his daughter's height. That really gets me back into the groove. But anyway, with all that being said, thank you for watching this one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. From me and my homie puppy in the back. Bye.